how to fix update messaging problem on your Instagram. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone if you have Android or even iOS. So all what you have to do now, after you open the settings, just scroll and go to the apps manager on your phone. Go to the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds because it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll like this until you find Instagram app and click on it. Now go down here to the power usage details and click here on force stop to stop the CPU usage time and the CPU time used and the GPS and the system. After you click on it, go to the top here and you will find the power consumption alert. Disable it and enable it again, then go back to the app information, click here on force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.